Oh wow, that was just perfect. Right in my sunglasses. Awesome, what'd I break now? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing some things with the Shitbox, finishing up some trim and all that stuff. As you can see, we have these subs in here and they are ready to go. We still have to button up some of the amp stuff because it's kind of pushing out on the trim here, and kind of fix up some of that stuff. There are a lot of clips that are missing or broken, so the problem is we gotta wait for the clips to come in from ECS Tuning. As you know, that's probably one of the best places, honestly, to get VW parts. This thing needs a wash, good cleaning. We already started vacuuming the inside out, so all the floorboard and stuff pretty clean. But we're going to be putting back the trim, the little kick panels and stuff underneath here, underneath the steering wheel and all that. And on top of that, we are going to be doing a bass test. So as y'all saw from the little intro, that little shit in the port, I don't know if that's kind of funny, the little shit in the port, he's flying around pretty good. It's a lot of fun. But we're going to be using some music from epidemicsound.com, because obviously we can't play any freaking normal music because that's all copyright issue, and eventually we want to be monetized. So other than that, we're just going to kind of get to it and get some of this trim back in there and kind of button some stuff up with the amp. As you guys saw in the previous video, my friend James came over and got the radio kind of set up and whatnot. So today we're just going to be finishing up. We are going to test some voltage back here as well on the amp, and we want to see if we can't get some LED stuff going around here and possibly around here, some rings. And I want these ones to bounce, kind of like turn on and off with the music. And I want these ones, oh, excuse me, this one to be on constant, and they will probably be green. As usual, we got our little shits all over the place here, kind of hanging out. We do want to get some, we're probably going to attach this here and get a couple of pillows to put here, so it just looks cool when the hatch is open with some LED stuff going all around. So should be a pretty good time to try to get it all together. All right guys, so obviously, like I said before, door handle broke because the clips are all busted up on this fucking door panel. But we did get all the underside trim over here back together, and I did paint it all so it's not sticky. We still have a few pieces to go around the radio, and we're gonna fix this thing right here. So there we go. Now you can see some busted up stuff there on the glove compartment. It's just this outer door piece where the trim connects. We need a lot of clips, but now we're going to put together the center console, which has been missing forever, and all the trim pieces that go on that. Don't have a whole lot of stuff left to do, but here's all those pieces. There's the center console, a little side trim to the seat, side trim to the center console armrest, bam, and then this thing and this little rear ashtray that I fixed somewhat so it actually opens and closes. I just want to have all the trim in it that I can. We're gonna have to grab a couple clips to hook this on right there. It just goes over some little studs that have a clip that goes on. Just gotta pick some of those up at AutoZone or something like that. That's the under the steering column cover. And here's what happened to the door handle. So it just got old, I think. Let me get in the light here, I guess. So it just got old, broke out because it was getting pulled on by that crappy door panel with no clips. I'll give y'all a little glimpse of what I'm actually taking apart here. So for this console to come out, really there's a screw here, there's a screw here, and it just slides down over the parking brake handle. You don't have to take off these screws down there. You just take out this one and it'll disconnect this whole console right here. Boom, out. Then you stick it down through there when you're done. So here we go. Probably want to make sure you don't have a bunch of shit in it like me. And that's about the adjustment you got there. Bam. We did install the bass knob a little different. Got it right there now. Cut out a little spot for it. Ain't the prettiest, but for now it'll work. And then we put that baby in a different gear so we can get this in there. That's literally it right there. This whole center console piece is jacked the fuck up. So, for now, I just want to get this back together so it looks a little bit better. I was about to let down the fucking parking brake. Good idea. Sitting on a hill. We'll grab them trim pieces and shove them in there. Ooh, nice. It actually fits real well the way I painted this stuff with the awesome. What'd I break now? How on earth did I do this? Oh, yeah, I'm stupid. Oh, wow, that was just perfect. Right in my sunglasses. Whoop. One has a bunch of sides, as you see. This does go here. Jesus Christ. Where's that other piece? This one just goes down in there like that. Okay, that didn't really work out. How did I get this apart, dude? First of all, this center console up here not forward far enough. The shift console anyway. Why is that like that? I think this is why I probably kept this out, to be honest. Hey, I don't know what I just broke, but well, it fixed the problem.
No, what?
Moving on. We will get back with you in just a second when we have this finagled back in here and everything's working correctly. Alright, so all the trim is in now. Missing a few pieces like that little piece right here, because I just put that little piece back right there. The ashtray pieces are back in there. All the trim is back in. Got new door handles on the way to fix the door clips. So I guess the only thing left to do a little bassy stuff. The cops came last time, as you saw. I was just trying to figure it out. Probably gonna throw the GoPro off. That's okay. We will tape it. it is for you. Let's get inside the car. Wait for it. Should be a good drop. Alright, so that's what it's like now on epidemicsound.com. That's pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Like, share, subscribe, and well, there's plenty more shenanigans to come with the Shitbox. So see y'all in the next one.